Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Castle Rock, Colorado? Look no further than ASL Dumpsters LLC. We are dedicated to providing exceptional service and ensuring your waste management needs are met efficiently. Whether it's a home renovation, a significant construction project, or a community cleanup, ASL Dumpsters LLC has the right solution for you. We pride ourselves on timely deliveries and pickups, making your project seamless. ASL Dumpsters LLC is locally owned and veteran proud, committed to serving Castle Rock and the surrounding areas with integrity and reliability. Our professional and friendly staff ensures that every dumpster is delivered on time and placed exactly where you need it. We understand the importance of keeping your site clean and organized, so we offer flexible rental periods to accommodate your schedule. Our pricing is competitive and transparent, with no hidden fees. We believe in transparency and ensure you know exactly what you're paying for. We care about the environment and ensure that all waste is disposed of responsibly, recycling materials whenever possible to minimize the impact on our planet. Ready to simplify your waste management? Visit us at www.asldumpster.com Dumpster Rental Castle Rock CO or call 303-981-2288 to book your dumpster rental today. ASL Dumpsters LLC, your partner for stress-free waste management.